star AK what mankind. Charlie, I can't your screen top again. It be me now. And this be celebrity what? Jawa. Make I talk you something. Don't subscribe here. I saw subscribe to my GH. If I subscribe, fine, subscribe more. You subscribe by anything bigger way they go on for social media. No? You will be the first person where you what? You will get the news. Anything bigger where maybe you don't understand them well, maybe you see video, you see pictures, you see everything where maybe you don't understand where you come to my GHR, you go explain them what into details so that you go what? You go understand them very well. So people where they around you, when they use smartphone, when they go internet, please and please, I'm saying it again. If for what? If for subscribe, give them so that everything will go on, give them in the world of what? Entertainment, sports, Charlie, politics, everything be what? You go understand them very well. Today another thing where you count the social media top with the it be something crowd, Charlie. You all you know who bempa make I talk you what it go on for inside. I talk you you go know say Charlie, this man of God there, it be what? It be something. Usu bempa says he never apologized to what? Chief Imam after death prophecy. Where he talk am for 2019 inside. That be Usu bempa. Usu bempa, you know saying he be what? A no man of God for this what? This Ghana inside where we did, you know. Where in the prophecies where Charlie in there, you go talk. You go talk say Nana go win, Nana go what? You go win. You go talk say Mama no will come power, Plenty prophecies than things. When 2019, you know, you can't talk something. Some prophecy become for Chief Imam inside. You can't talk Chief Imam say Chief Imam go what? Chief Imam go die. The die where you go die in the year 2019 there. By the end of 2019, Chief Imam go what? Go die. You thought that prophet now, Charlie, you know rich Charlie 2 seconds out. Where they you the Muslim youth you know Charlie them go the church there. The internet church service they go on. Where they start to throw stone, they start to do violence and things. Manta. The way they do the things now, Charlie, you know be easy. Well, we should be part day now. Wait, Charlie, you go Chief Imam there. You go inside like two times. Like occasionally, you go inside 2 times. Then go talk everything. The second one where you go, no, you go there plus cow. The cow no Charlie. The cow you bola. Wait, you go give Chief Imam say Charlie. Everything be away they go on. Or Charlie, make them what? Make them take this cow and things make peace what? Peace go calm them things. We did recently now. Usually can talk say he never beg what Chief Imam say Charlie. They beg them things. When the cow where you take go, you be some church member be where you know you want gift what Chief Imam cow make it what make it take go inside then make everything go on pepe. That be what it happen for what Owusu Bempa inside. He tell them you know you never go apologize. The reason why he Owusu Bempa no you never go apologize be say God will talk him direct. God will talk on direct, so you know go feel take God in what in voice and things joke. Now it be something where what it be true. That be what you can't talk there everything they go. When some of the people where they follow him for social media, then things fans and things talk say you be what? You be no man of God. If you hear something from a big man where challenge you be public figure and things now, you go feel what search the location and things then go in there individually. Then talk the person so you be so and so and so. So if you be prayers, then things clear where you go what? You go pray give the person one. Then you pray give the person, then everything go what? Go on pepper then things. If you're not there what social media top or if you're not there a bigger platform because you talk everything and they go on. So those prophecies then things, you know, where some fans be talk say Charlie them no, if you fame then they want them things. And fame they want them things say make do. When you don't know the mind of God do. Maybe God they take show you because you be what? You be in servant. They take show you so for pray give this man because you the there the same what community, the same country known as Ghana. So if you pray giver, if you don't make them what worldwide leader, people go listen and things, that be why the Muslim community. Them they didn't joke like them, malam, them, imam, them things. You fuck up like them and Charlie, they go tell you big time. That be what it happen for what Owusu Bempa inside. You saw they go what Yvonne Nursing. Yvonne Nursing inside too. Another thing coming top. Today we they celebrate Yvonne Nursing. The reason why we celebrate them, you say some pictures be you will see your screen saying pictures they go on for the screen top. He be what? If they won't show us, he be the goddess of the world. The camera, when they come to acting, forget female acting now. Forget if you're not seeing the inside. Recently, you know, say you go with an island. You go find some island before Adan in there, and where you build the island where you name them NY island where some what celebrities where them they what the system inside where they do music, movie, then things, you know. Then they go in there saying they go relax then things. And they talk you and they use this one as an encouragement. Everything be where they do be and information say you go concentrate then do one. Attacks then those one distraction then things, you know. You go come. If you not make your mind do you say Charlie no go feel make come. Charlie I no get helper. Charlie I no get any bobby where you go put me on that thing. Those things no all be involved. But if you make up your mind say you go do no, God will bring the people when they will direct your life, you know what, into position. So that everything be our way go do, you go on give you. So right now you see what if you are not seeing do, if you are not seeing plenty people they throw and say Charlie, in the way they act, some no be nice than thing, plenty distraction, but if you are not seeing no listen to them, you listen to in what? In own inner peace, in own what motivation, in own what decision then things, you know, where everything what go on give them very, very, very well. This be what we are the one what at the one flow you make everything what go on. And go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind. As I said earlier on, if you not subscribe to the channel, I do what too much GH. Too much GH. If you subscribe and make everything what go on Pepe give you. Because anything be away they go on for politics, entertainment, anything be away they go on interview plus what some celebrities then things now. You go be the first person what you go understand the year very, very well. Plenty people they do amo. But we will come then can't talk you make you what understand them very well because of your love, because of you where they feel your matter. That's what we the want to give you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always what work. Pow, pow, pow.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren. Won me nka mo ne hwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nye ne bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.